G'day guys, Luke and Richie coming to you on behalf of Bosch here at Total Tools. Want to talk to you about how you can save over $1,700. Richie, can you tell them what's inside this 10-piece kit?
Absolutely. So you've got our 110 Newton hammer drill, our 200 Newton meter impact wrench / impact driver, also our brushless 5-inch angle grinder, not to mention the rotary hammer, so up to 26mm holes with this bad boy. Also the new and improved brushless 6¼ circ saw, new to the kit. Also included is a brand new bi-turbo recip, the Bluetooth radio, the blower that you all know, 2-speed, 5-inch variable speed sander, not to mention a 420 lumen light, 3 5-amp-hour batteries and a charger, all coming in $19.99. Also included is the bag that you can pack it up in.
Also heard that you can get $200 bonus voucher on your insider's account.
Absolutely, not to mention the 6-year warranty that covers the batteries, the chargers and the tools.